everyone, it's Valerie from WonderFil. Today I'm going to introduce you to this brilliant new thread called Rinse and Gone from WonderFil. It's perfect for temporarily joining things together. So if you're doing applique or basting a hem, or you want to baste your quilt together for long arming, or if you're doing an embroidery design and you want to stitch your stabilizer to your fabric closer to your design, then this is the perfect thread. I'm going to start by winding it onto my bobbin, and then we'll show you how it works. So for the purpose of demonstration, I have just a regular 40 weight polyester thread in the top, and I have my Rinse and Gone wound onto my bobbin in the bottom. I'm just going to stitch a line, just as I would regularly stitch. All right. Now you can see my top thread, the Rinse and Gone, and the two layers temporarily joined together. All right, so now for the magic. Once you're done with the basting, you just take either a dampened toothbrush or a sponge and lightly rinse away the thread to remove your basting. It doesn't require a lot of water. This sponge is holding a lot of wire, but a toothbrush dipped in water would do the trick. Then I just pull away my top thread.